Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, assistant teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Sheet. Dear students, today I am going to take an English class for the students of nursery, and our today's topic is identify the picture and write the name under the picture. Okay, look dear students, this is our lecture number is 22. Okay, now I am going to discuss about our today's topic. Look dear students, here we can find the question identify the picture and write the name under the picture. That means we have to write this picture's name under the picture. Okay, in the exam time you will get here a blank and you have to identify that what is this picture's name, and you have to write this name here in this blanks. You have to write this book's name, okay, in this space. Okay, now I am going to read. Okay, our first picture name is what? Yes dear students, I think all of you have known this. This is the picture of a book. Okay, so this is the picture of a book, and what is the spelling of the word book? B-O-O-K, book. Okay, I am going to read this once again. B-O-O-K, book. Look dear students, our next picture is pencil. Okay, and we have to write this pencil word under the picture. Okay, so this is the picture of a pencil and we have to write this word's name here in this gap. Okay, in this space you have to write this picture's name. And what is this picture's name? Pencil. And what is the spelling of the word pencil? P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Okay, I am going to read this once again. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Okay, look dear students, our next picture is, can you say what is this picture's name? Yes, I think all of you have known this because we have already finished this topic. Okay, so what is this picture's name? This is a picture of a rat. So we have to write here rat, and its spelling is what? R-A-T, rat. Okay dear students, now I am going to the next word. Look, this is the picture of a mat. Okay dear students, what is this picture's name? Yes, this is the picture of a mat. Now I am going to we have to write this word's name in this space. Okay, in this gap you have to write here, and the spelling is M-A-T, mat. What is the spelling of the word mat? M-A-T, mat. Okay, look, our next picture name is what? Apple. Yes, this is the picture of an apple. Okay, and we have to write it here, and the spelling of the word apple is what? A-P-P-L-E, apple. I am going to read this once again. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay, then our next picture name is what? Boy. B-O-Y, boy. Okay, this is the picture of a boy, and I have written here what? Boy. You have to write in this gap what? In this space you have to write here boy, and the spelling of the word boy is what? B-O-Y, boy. Okay, now I am going to the next picture. Our next picture, look, this is the next picture, and this picture's name is what? Can you say? Yes, all of you have known this picture. This is the picture of a car, and its spelling is what? C-A-R, car. Okay, so what is this picture's name? Car. C-A-R, car. Okay, look, our next picture's name is what? Bus, and its spelling is what? B-U-S, bus. I'm going to read this picture's name. What is this picture's name? Bus. Okay, and what is its spelling? B-U-S, bus. Okay, dear students, now I am going to the next picture. Look dear students, here we have found a picture, and this picture's name is what? Yes, this picture's name is duck, and its spelling is what? D-U-C-K, duck. Okay dear students, so this is a picture of a duck, and its spelling is what? D-U-C-K, duck. Now dear students, I am going to the next picture. Look dear students, This is the picture of a doll. Okay, what is this picture's name? Yes, you have found a picture which name is what? Doll. And the spelling of the word doll is what? D-O-L-L, doll. Okay, dear students, I am going to read this once again. D-O-L-L, doll. So I am going to read this spelling D-O-L-L, doll. Okay, now I am going to read this all of these names once again. Look, this is a picture of a book, and the second one, this is the picture of a pencil. This is the picture of a rat. This is the picture of a mat. This is a picture of an apple. This is the picture of a boy. This is the picture of a car. This is the picture of a bus. This is the picture of a duck. This is the picture of a doll. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic, and of course practice this at your home, and there is no SWO. Okay dear students, so abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.